Check out this Ram 2020 1500 Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include Tradesman Level 1 equipment group included, Sirius XM satellite radio, carpet floor covering front and rear floor mats, rear power sliding window, carpet floor covering, gross vehicle weight, 6,900 pounds, quick order package 26A Tradesman included, engine 5.7 LV8 Hemi MDS VVTe torque transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, DFV, front fog lamps, black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat included, front center seat cushion storage, 3 rear seat head restraints, wheels, 20-inch x 9 inches aluminum polished painted included, tires 275/55 R20 all-season LRR, flame red clear coat and sport appearance package included, grille surround 1 body color texture.